The second stage for the film inserting system, these parts are fully controlled by the servo motor. You can see 1 and 2. Okay, so the film cutting system is a tracking type design, which means even when the bottle is moving on the conveyor, this cutter is also moving. It is tracking the bottles. When it reaches to the position, he will cut the film on the bottles. Okay, so this is the cutting system. And how about inserting, the film insert? The film insert is also driven by the servo motor. The servo motor gives the power to the belt, the driving belt. So the belt will moving the wheels. The wheels give the film out. So when the bottles arrive, the film will driving this way, and the film will insert inside the bottles. All right. So after this job finished, it will move to the next. And you can find here, this is a sensor. The sensor will give the signal for this part. This is a rejection. It means that if the bottle doesn't have the film, the rejection will receive the signal, and he will reject the bottles out. So we call it rejecting system. All right.